In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect your Google Calendar to Claude AI account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, log into your Claude AI account and then tap on this icon to open your sidebar. Under this, look for customize, and here you have an option to customize your Claude AI by adding connectors. So we want to connect apps, so choose the first option, and under this you'll be taken to a ton of apps that you can connect straight to your Claude AI. As you can see, there are quite many, and among them is Google Calendar. So if I click on Google Calendar, now we can connect Google Calendar here by just clicking on connect. Then you need to give access of Google Calendar to Claude. So I'll choose my email address and click on continue to grant permission. Here I'll have to check this to give this permission, such as view events on your calendar, see and download any calendar you can access using your Google Calendar, as well as see, edit, share, and permanently delete all calendars you can access using Google Calendar. So this is the permission that I'm granting Claude AI. I'll confirm by clicking on continue. And now you can see the Google Calendar has been connected. So if I go back to my apps here, you can see now Google Calendar has been added. So that's how you can add or connect Google Calendar to your Claude AI account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.